Hi, and welcome to Go DIY Whitewood. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it now so you don't miss a thing. We got a crazy cool package today that we've been so excited about. We've been hearing a lot about Dixie Belle Paint Company and how seamless and easy and beautiful their products are to work with. So we decided we're going to give it a try. We got their stuff today. We're going to open it up with you. Again, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it now. We're going to have a lot of fun with all the products in here. So, we just opened it. Here's our big unveil. It's packaged really nice. Okay, so first up we have some gel stains. We've never worked with gel stain before. It's supposed to be really, really easy. Actually, we have done one project with gel stain, but it was with a different company. So it'll be interesting to see how this one stacks up. This one's an espresso. If you ever order an espresso finish, just know generally they're really, really dark brown, almost on the cusp of black. This one is walnut. If anybody's been watching our channel before, you'll know that walnut stains are generally our favorite. So it'll be fun to see what the color of this walnut is. Okay, so what else do we have? We have, oh, need my glasses. We have a grunge gray wax. We've never used a wax before, so that's going to be a first for you and us. And then we have a grunge glaze. We've never worked with glaze before, but we've been hearing awesome stuff, so I can't wait to try this. And then we have some chalk paints. Chalk paints are actually what Dixie Belle is famous for. We just kind of found out that they have stains and they have other accessories too, but their chalk paints are what they're really, really known for. So this is a mint julep. This is a honky tonk red. Let's see what else we have. We have a gator hide protectant here. This is supposed to give whatever we put it on super duper tough protection. So this will be fun to see how this stacks up against other products. And then we have some more chalk paints. We have a Gulf, which we're going to do kind of a coastal theme with this. And then we have a Florida orange chalk paint. And then we have a transfer. Okay, so this is a Western inspired transfer. We're going to use this on a children's tress and transform the room to be Western. And then we have another transfer. This is a Peacock Dreams transfer. So the difference between a transfer and a stencil you're going to place on your furniture, walls, whatever, and then remove the stencil and the design is going to stay. A transfer actually transfers from the piece of paper to whatever you're putting it on. So they're just two different things but have amazing results. And then last, we have, we're going to have super fun with this. This is actually a stencil, and it's a crab stencil. And we're going to use this on a children's chair, actually a timeout chair for a child that's feeling crabby. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We're going to have a ton of fun with all these new products from Dixie Belle. We'll see you soon.